Got a cracked windshield or broken window? Ontario Mobile Auto Glass is here to help. Whether you're at home, work, or anywhere in Ontario, California, we've got you covered with quick and reliable auto glass repair services. Our certified technicians provide professional windshield repair and replacement with the highest standards of care. With over 18 years of experience, we know how important your vehicle's safety is, and we're dedicated to making sure you're back on the road quickly and safely. No need to waste your time driving to a shop. At Ontario Mobile Auto Glass, we bring our expert services right to your doorstep. Whether you're in Rancho, Cucamonga, Upland, Montclair, or anywhere in the Inland Empire. Got a busy schedule? Just give us a call at 909-490-5198 and we'll be there, offering same-day service in most cases. Plus, we work with most insurance companies, making your experience hassle-free. At Ontario Mobile Auto Glass, you can count on fast service, affordable prices, and a trusted team. From windshield replacements to side and rear window repairs, we handle it all. Don't let a cracked windshield slow you down. Visit us online at www.ontariomobileautoglass.com or call 909-490-5198 today for a free quote. Ontario Mobile Auto Glass, bringing quality auto glass repair right to your door.